Acrylic pouring is a captivating art form that has taken the creative world by storm. Imagine vibrant hues blending seamlessly, creating mesmerizing patterns and textures. With every pour, a unique masterpiece unfolds, a testament to the fluidity and unpredictability of this enchanting technique. You don't need to be a seasoned artist to enjoy this art form. With a few basic materials and a spirit of experimentation, anyone can create stunning works of art. It's a meditative and therapeutic experience, watching the colors swirl and blend, losing yourself in the moment of creation. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, acrylic pouring offers a captivating journey of discovery and self-expression.
Section 5 cells, the birth of tiny universes. One of the most captivating aspects of acrylic pouring is the formation of cells, those mesmerizing organic shapes that emerge as the paint layers interact. These cells, resembling tiny universes within the artwork, add depth, texture, and a touch of magic to your pours. Cells are created by the separation of different densities within the paint mixture. Silicone oil, a common household lubricant, is a key ingredient in enhancing cell formation. When a few drops of silicone oil are added to the paint mixture, it creates a barrier between the different densities, promoting cell separation. There are various techniques for incorporating silicone oil into your pours. You can add a few drops directly to the paint mixture and stir gently to distribute. Experimenting with different types and amounts of silicone oil can yield a wide range of cell effects.
Section 6. A splash through time, the origins of acrylic pouring. While acrylic pouring may seem like a relatively recent art form, its roots can be traced back to ancient times. One of the earliest forms of pouring art can be found in the ancient Japanese art of suminagashi, or floating ink. This technique, dating back to the 12th century, involves floating inks on the surface of water and then transferring the patterns onto paper or fabric. In the 20th century, the development of acrylic paints in the 1940s revolutionized the art world. However, it wasn't until the advent of the internet and social media that acrylic pouring gained widespread popularity.
Section 7. A dance of colors exploring different pour techniques. Acrylic pouring is a dance between control and letting go, where the artist guides the flow of paint but ultimately embraces the element of surprise. The dirty pour, a classic acrylic pouring technique, involves layering different colors of paint in a single cup before pouring them onto the canvas. The flip cup technique involves pouring multiple colors into a cup and then flipping the cup upside down onto the canvas. The puddle pour involves pouring individual puddles of paint onto the canvas and then tilting the canvas to allow the puddles to merge and flow. The swipe technique involves pouring a base color onto the canvas and then using a tool, such as a palette knife or a credit card, to swipe through the paint, revealing the colors underneath. This technique creates sharp lines and geometric patterns, adding a sense of movement and dynamism to your artwork. Experiment with these techniques to discover your unique style. Section 8. The waiting game, drying times and techniques. As the colors swirl and settle on your canvas, a sense of anticipation builds. The wait for your masterpiece to dry. Typically, acrylic pours take 24 to 72 hours to dry to the touch. However, it's important to note that this is just surface drying. The paint layers beneath the surface may still be wet and require additional drying time. To ensure even drying and prevent dust particles from settling on your wet paint, consider using a drying rack or elevating your canvas slightly off the work surface. While the drying process requires patience, it's an essential part of creating a beautiful and long-lasting acrylic pour. Once your acrylic pour is completely dry, you can apply a sealant or varnish to protect it from dust, UV rays, and moisture. Section 9. Beyond the pour, enhancing your masterpiece. While the initial acrylic pour is a captivating spectacle in itself, the creative journey doesn't end there. One popular technique is to add layers of resin to your acrylic pour. Resin, a clear, glossy coating, adds depth and dimension to your artwork, enhancing the vibrancy of the colors and creating a glass-like finish. Another way to add dimension and texture is by incorporating mixed media elements. Consider adding layers of textured paste, modeling paste, or even sand to create raised areas on your canvas. Stenciling is a creative way to add intricate designs and patterns to your acrylic pour. Drawing and painting over your acrylic pour is another way to personalize your artwork and add your own unique touch.
Section 10. Masters of Flow Influential Pouring Artists. The world of acrylic pouring has been shaped by numerous talented artists who have pushed the boundaries of this mesmerizing art form. One such artist is Molly Goldwater, a self-taught artist who has gained international recognition for her stunning acrylic pours. Goldwater's work is characterized by its vibrant colors, intricate cells, and a sense of movement that draws the viewer in. Another influential artist is Rinske Downer, a Dutch artist whose work is a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the power of color. Downer's pours are characterized by their soft, ethereal quality, often featuring just a few carefully chosen colors that blend seamlessly together. Mike Hammer, also known as Mr. Paintbrush, is a self-taught artist who has gained a massive following on social media for his mesmerizing acrylic pours and entertaining tutorials. These artists, along with countless others, have helped to elevate acrylic pouring from a craft to a respected art form. Their work inspires us to embrace the fluidity of paint, to experiment with new techniques, and to find joy in the unpredictable nature of this mesmerizing art form.
Section 11. Unleash your creativity. The endless possibilities of acrylic pouring. Acrylic pouring is more than just a technique. It's an invitation to unleash your creativity, to embrace the unknown, and to find joy in the process of creation. With every pour, you embark on a unique journey guided by the fluidity of paint, the interplay of colors, and your own intuition. The beauty of acrylic pouring lies in its accessibility and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, this art form welcomes everyone with open arms. Experiment with different pouring mediums, explore a variety of pouring techniques, and don't be afraid to break free from conventions. Embrace the fluidity, explore the possibilities, and most importantly, have fun. The world of acrylic pouring awaits your unique vision and creative touch.